This is BLUETTI support, a knowledge base to help you have a better experience with BLUETTI. Today, I'm going to show you how to charge the AC200P. AC200P supports 7 charging methods: AC, solar, car, generator, lead-acid battery, dual AC, and AC plus solar. AC charging. Plug the adapter into an AC power source. The other end goes into the AC power input. To charge AC200P with a generator, please follow the same instructions. For solar charging, choose PV as the DC input source. To connect the solar panel, you'll need this solar charging cable and also this XT90 to aviation cable. Here comes an important note. Align this red dot with the one on the PV input port, or it will fail to charge. When unplugging, pull out the plug head. If you choose your car or lead-acid battery as the power supply, set car as the DC input source. Similarly, when charging your AC200P via car, you'll need 2 cables, the car charging cable and the XT90 to aviation cable. When you start your car, AC200P begins charging. For lead-acid battery charging, first plug the XT90 into the PV input port. Clamp the red connector to the positive battery terminal and the black to the other. For dual AC charging, use this cable to connect your adapter to the PV input. And then plug in another AC power source into the AC input. In this case, set PV as the DC input source. As for AC plus solar and dual PV charging, we've made an in-depth video for you to help you get started in a quick and simple manner. That's all for today. Please follow us for more videos and let me know if you have any questions or ideas. Thanks for watching and see you next time.